Yeah, ATL, baby. Atlanta Truck Invasion. Going down. Ya tú sabes, güey. We out here, look. We're about to start cooking right now. We're about to make some taquitos for the staff and for us también, you know.
Huevo. Guys, we're here at Atlanta Truck Invasion, like my boy introduced in. Let's throw it down with the taquitos. We got the little carne on deck. We got the setup. The nollie looking clean somewhere. A little dirty, but still clean. And we got the whole setup over here. Camarada Eduardo. Come on, bro. ¿Cómo andamos?
Bien, aquí en Atlanta.
Guys, we got that badass SRT10 over there. Mira. Malon. I'm gonna go show you that one right now. We got a badass Pro Charger. That bitch is just clean, man. Look at that truck right there. Hey, good little idle on it or what? Check it out. SRT10. We got Draco, TKOG5, and the Drip and the OG somewhere over there. I'll show you guys here in a bit. It's a true SRT10, right?
True manual.
Yeah.
6-speed. You got push start.
Hell yeah. Hey, wait, that bitch sounds fucking clean, way. Sounds really clean. What's all done to it?
But it just has the supercharger, it's got headers, fuel pump, all the little bolts-ons. Yeah, built transmission, built clutch, todo.
Yeah, we already done some numbers on it or no?
Yeah, it made 665 to the wheel.
Ooh, 665. Wait, we can line it up with Draco.
Let's line it up.
Nah, this bitch is bad, way. This bitch is really bad.
It holds all the attention.
Hey, it definitely pulls heads, bro.
Oh, hell yeah. Everybody loves the red.
Hey, red pop. Red pop. That's what we got Draco and red too. But this one right here, man, is getting all the attention. This thing is badass. Como que ahora quiero un SRT10, güey.
Maybe.
Let's talk, bro. Let's
Hey,
talk.
ask them if they want a giveaway on one. That would be dope.
Little giveaway on SRT10, guys.
Nobody's done it.
On a real SRT10.
Exactly.
Guys, let us know in the comment section below. Should we give it out?
Hey, keep it clean.
One. Yeah. Representing me that way.
Repping.
And you got the banner too.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna put the banner on sooner or later. Yeah.
Hell yeah. Yeah, guys. So there's the badass SRT10, Eduardo. Appreciate you coming out here, bro.
Yeah, I appreciate you.
Yeah, bro.
Appreciate for giving me a spot right here.
Yeah. Now make sure y'all follow him on Instagram. I'll put his Instagram right here too on the screen, so you guys can check out the SRT10. You're always posting about it and
Oh
stuff,
yeah,
right?
I'm posting it. Yeah, all the time. And more upgrades come to it. Sooner or later, we're gonna have it running way better, maybe more power or something.
Hell yeah.
I think maybe a cam is next.
Oh yeah. Hell yeah. Yeah, these trucks are rare, guys, so y'all need to keep up with the content with him so you guys can check it out. You're not gonna put it in the burnout pit?
I wish.
Nah, but that bitch is bad. That bitch is bad. But yeah, guys, we got the setup. Badass SRT10. Got Draco con el turbito. It don't sound as clean as that. But
hey, you need to switch out the blowout valve.
I do, right?
Get a bigger blowout valve with the smaller spring, and it should sound way better.
Yeah. I think I'm gonna do that because I like the way that one sounds. Well, guys, we're gonna be going around checking out everything. You guys stay tuned for the content. If you have not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button below, like the video, and let us know what you guys think on our SRT10 giveaway. De repente se hace. Drop those comments, guys. Drop those comments. Guys, so we're here at the Burnout. Well, we're trying to get into the Burnout pit. Pero pues hay un pedito. So a lot of shit went down last year. They're being a little bit more strict this year. And I think they're letting in one at a time or something.
They start again later, but maybe like 3:30, yeah, around there maybe.
Well, yeah, guys, so we're gonna have to go back to the booth. So, yeah, this year they're doing something a little bit different because last year it got down, it got crazy. So they're being a little bit more strict, which is fine, but now we gotta go back to the booth, make some tacos. That way?
Start cooking again.
Start cooking again. We had just started cooking and we had to stop to come over here. So right now, turn on the plancha, the disco, make some tacos.
There you go.
Get it. You ready or what? You ready? Oh, ya entré yo. You're next.
güey, todos querían camisa, la
Sí,
verdad.
güey, vendimos más aquí que en el pinche booth. A la verga. God damn, bro. They got good. They got good. No overheating issues right now.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Con madre, güey.
Hey, wait, that shit was good.
Chégale, güey. Chégale. Oh, yeah. Now, the good shit. Para la otra vamos a aventar iPhone cases, guys. So y'all stay tuned for that. Next one we're gonna get down is High Roller Get Down. Allá in RGV, guys. We're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna take Draco again, have a good time. A ver qué aventamos. You guys stay tuned. That video's gonna be lit too. RGV, the 956. Saludos, raza, para todos los que están allá. Está poniendo bueno desmadre. But ATL, man, a lot of love out here.
Hell yeah.
Appreciate it, guys. Appreciate it, guys. Hell yeah. Mira,
No shirt.
la Smoke Show.
La Smoke Show, mira,
Smoke
la
Show.
Draco ahí. Buddy.
Guys, if you haven't copped it yet, Canada.com, they're available now. Ships out next day. That way,
Next day shipping, baby.
next day shipping. Business day. A la verga. La máquina vente en el Yeti. Valiente madre. What show was that at? That threw the Yeti at?
Yeti Cup?
Yeah, was that the RGV? I was at the Valley. Ay, raza, cálmense, raza. Ahí andan metiendo botellas, pinches Yetis y todo el pedo. If we can find that video, Fonseca, about that guy getting hit in the face or in the head. You seen that one?
They just showed me the video on it.
See?
Yeah. So he was sliding, he was going too quick, and he came around and he just swung and it hit the wall.
So one of those barriers did that?
Yeah, over there in the corner. He like literally went into the corner.
Oh, bro. That sucks.
Those chicos.
Hey, luckily we didn't hit no walls. Luckily. ¿Ya mero that way?
So close.
¿Estás
Not close enough.
Güey, como que andaban unos taquitos bien frescos, bien ready, calientitos. Back at the booth, ¿no? ¿Vamos o qué?
Yeah, we've been trying to eat for like the past 2 hours.
We've been trying to eat, yeah, we've been trying to eat for a while. ¿Vamos o qué? Taquitos.
3:30.
¿Es 3:30?
It's time.
Sí, güey, no, estamos a la dieta, pero no es para tanto. Vámonos, vámonos. Hey guys, we've been still going out here at Atlanta Truck Invasion. It's been going down. We've been hella busy, as you guys can see right behind us. Huge shout out to everyone that came out to the booth and got your entries, guys. So shout out to everyone, thanks for the support, and we're gonna keep on going. Yes, sir.